Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a Nextdoor account and join your local neighborhood network, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to nextdoor.com or download the Nextdoor app from your smartphone app store. Step 2. Click on Sign Up or Join Nextdoor to begin creating your account and connecting with your neighborhood. Step 3. Enter your address to verify you live in the area. Nextdoor uses your address to connect you with the correct neighborhood and nearby communities. Step 4. Provide your personal information, including your full name and email address. Nextdoor encourages real names to build trust within the community. Step 5. Create a secure password for your account. Choose a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 6. Verify your address by choosing a verification method. Options include receiving a postcard with a code, phone verification, or connecting with neighbors who can vouch for you. Step 7. Complete your profile by adding a profile photo, bio, and interests. Sharing more information helps you connect with neighbors with similar interests. Step 8. Explore your neighborhood feed, introduce yourself to neighbors, and adjust notification settings to control how often you receive updates. Join local groups based on interests, set up recommendations, and use Nextdoor to stay informed about community events, local recommendations, safety alerts, and neighborhood news. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.